Hello everyone, this is Justin from 2866 Robotics, and today I'm going to be telling you about if-else statements. If-else statements are probably one of the most important things to know in Java, and they're something that you're 100% guaranteed to use when you're coding on your robot. And first of all, to call a if-else statement, you just need to say if, and then you have parentheses. So basically what a if-else statement does is check if whatever in the parentheses is true. So let's say that we have a int called x, and that x is 3. But what if we didn't know if that x was 3? Well, we could check for it. We could say if x equals 3, whenever you check a variable, you use double equal to equals if it's a primitive, and an int is a primitive variable. And if you don't really know the difference between a primitive and non-primitive variable, I will be covering that in a future video. But for now, just know that if you're using an int or if you're using a float, you'll just use, or if you're using a int, you're using a float, or you're using a double, you can use the double equals. You don't use the single equals though. Single equals is for assigning a variable, double equals is for checking a primitive variable. That's just what you need to know for now. And after that, you want to do curly brackets and then enter. So now, if x is equal to 3, everything in these curly brackets will happen. So in between here, we could put system.out.println x is equal to 3. And let me add that. And what if we wanted to do something if it wasn't true? Well, we could do else. Else, so if x is equals 3, do what's inside of here, else do what's inside of here. So let's just take this and make this say x is not equal to 3. So if we run this, since x is equal to 3, it should say x is equal to 3. Wait for it to load, and x is equal to 3. But if we change x to like 800, now x is not equal to 3. So is x equal to 3? No. So then it moves on. Else do this. And then x is not equal to 3. And you can see here. But what if you wanted to check something else? Like, let's say we also wanted to check if x was equal to 100. We could do something like if x is equal to 3, and then if x is equal to 100. However, there is one issue with this. If obviously you can't be 3 and 100 at the same time, but sometimes you might be checking things that could be the same at the same time. And if they could, if this is true, it would run this, and then if this was true, it would run this. What if you wanted something that would only run either this or that? That is when you would use else if. So else if will only run this if this is false. So if x is equal to 3, do this, else if it equals 100, do this. So let's just have it print out x is equal to 100. And then let's just have an else, and then just make it x is neither of these numbers. And then let's make it 100. And now, is 100 equal to 3? Nope. Is it equal to 100? Yes. Print this. And it should pop up. And of course you could check floats too. So let's have a float. Let's have a 1.5. Then if x is equal to 3, it's not going to be equal to 3. It's not going to be equal to 100. and it's gonna say it is neither of these numbers. And there you go.